Namaskara, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, dear students. I was here before in the Chamber of Commerce and Industry, FKCCI, way back in 2016 when I was the Commissioner for Skill Development in Karnataka. Heard many speakers before me. I just want to say three things. One is, you see the visionary on the top, Sri Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, the Diwan of Mysore. I had an opportunity to serve in a district where he was born, Chikballapur. It is really amazing. Somebody 150 years ago, from a small remote town outside Bangalore, walks up, gets educated, tries innovation, and in fact you heard many things which happened during his time, the KRS Dam, the soap factory, etc., including the Century Club. But then, while I was CEO of Chikballapur, I saw even today the towns of Chikballapur and Dodballapur, the water comes from a dam which the great visionary had planned and built long ago, 100 years ago. So, while we take inspiration from him, we also, 2021, India, huge country, 135 crore plus Indians. Gone are the days when government used to be the chief employer. Slowly private sector came in. Yes, they started offering more jobs, started making investment, but then there is industry cycle, COVID, pandemic, etc. always come in. And for a country as big as India, we have over 60% of Indians in the age group, working age group, 19 to 59 years, or 52% of them below 35 years of age. The demographic dividend that we call, the average age of an Indian is 29 years, while the rest of the world is aging faster. So we have an opportunity as well as a challenge. We have the highest number of youth in this country. If we educate them, train them, skill them, we can not only, India itself is a huge market, not only within India, we can always also export you as brand ambassadors for the countries where the population is aging. So this challenge and an opportunity which India faces is what Manthan has been trying to bridge that gap between what is required. So many of them spoke before me. Yes, we no longer need to be the job seeker, we need to be the job giver. So this Manthan, I congratulate FKCCI for 13 years running. You have been having this program and you have built many entrepreneurs, and then the prize money also has gone up many times now also. And we as government, from being a regulator, we also have been moving as a facilitator, and then we will do all that is required from our end to support this program in whatever way we can. And coming to the last point, see, I am basically an engineer, but somewhere down the line I thought so that this is like many engineers said, just because there were engineers around, we also did engineering. While all my friends are today's vice president of various multinational companies, the Samsung vice president, the Dell vice president are all my engineering batchmates. While they have made themselves good in their whatever career choices they have made, I chose this and became a bureaucrat. one person from my family wanted to be an entrepreneur. He did his engineering from the KRIC Surathkal, which is NIT Surathkal. He worked for some time at Infosys, then gave it up, took his CAT exams, did his post-graduation from IIM, Ahmedabad, came out with flying colors, got a good job at JLL. Then suddenly he left. He wanted to become an entrepreneur. I was taken aback. We bureaucrats have a career. We start quite young and then we superannuate at about 60 years, having a career span of about 30 plus years. He had a very good job, but then he gave it up. Everybody around him tried to persuade him, you have a very good job, why do you have to leave it? Campus selection, of course. But then he took all those risks and the opportunities which came by. He started a company called Taxi for Sure, then sold it to Ola Cab subsequently, which you might have heard of. Then started one more company called Vocal, which is basically a search engine on the lines of Google, but it's in the Indian language. It's based on voice because most Indians can't type English. So whether you want something in your native language, you can get it. Then the latest one, which you might have heard of, is Koo, which is the Indian Atmanirbhar app akin to Twitter. So this is my family background person who had made it big as an entrepreneur. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to tell you that somebody at some point in time will have to take those risks, take those opportunities, and Manthan has provided you that platform so that you may fail, as they say, out of 100 startups, 91% fail, only 9% we get to hear which are success stories. But then you always need to try, take this opportunity, be successful, and I wish all those people, the youngsters who are here, listening to all of them, and with Manthan 2021 and beyond, let this keep growing. We see more and more entrepreneurs coming out of this country and give the much needed job and employment opportunity to most other Indians. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for motivating the audience here and your kind words to FKCCI.